This is a 2011 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 14,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Conklin Cars Newton is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1500 East 3rd in Newton.